Ciao everyone, I'm Rossella. Welcome back to Cooking with Nonna. I'm back in the Brooklyn basement with the one and only Nonna Romana today. Say hello everybody.
Hello everybody.
Hey over there too.
Hello everybody.
What are we going to do today?
I gotta make involtini di eggplant involtini.
Oh, eggplant rollatini in English.
Yeah, rollatini
or in Italian American.
And I'm sorry because I want to try this knife. They're good for cut eggplant. It is very good. I try.
Nonna got a head start and she started cutting the eggplant.
I started, because I want to try the knife.
You were excited.
Knife, yeah.
You got excited.
Yeah, I want to make sure the knife works.
It works?
So now I got to cut this one,
She started slicing the eggplant, before we started shooting. So it's okay though.
Now, yeah, this knife, they cut good, it's better.
So she's just trying to make some nice thin
I wanna
slices.
Try the knife, they cut good,
She's trying to make nice thin slices, cut one part of the eggplant off, leave the skin on.
You gotta put over there.
So this is what you want. You don't want them too thick because then they won't roll. You don't want them too thin because then they're gonna fall apart. So you want them somewhere in between. And after I get them all cut out from her, I'm gonna place them on this oiled baking sheet that I got right here. And I'm just gonna, I just brushed it with oil, and I'm gonna add a little bit of salt on top. Not too much, not too much. And I'm going to talk about the rest of the ingredients that we have here. So this is a basic eggplant rollatini, or it's not so basic because we're doing it. So we have some homemade marinara sauce. We actually have another video for marinara sauce, and you guys can look at that. We have the filling, which is important, which is, kind of where all the flavor is. And we got some whole milk ricotta cheese, some fresh mozzarella, but this is fresh mozzarella that was in the water. And I left it out for a few hours. You do not want to use a fresh mozzarella that is too wet for something like this. You definitely want it to be on the drier side. Otherwise, it's going to make the filling a little too wet and a little too musciata. Everything's going to just fall apart a little bit. I got some pecorino romano. You can use parmigiano too. Some fresh parsley, an egg, and we're going to use some salt here. So Nonna is just following up. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot. And we have some prosciutto cotto, which is a nice little touch to this. You can also use ham. You can use regular prosciutto, but it's a little salty. You can use mortadella if that's your jam. Don't worry about it. But I think it adds a little something extra. You could just leave it out if you don't like that stuff. It's okay. She was looking for this knife for an hour, so I can't take this experience away from her. Okay. So that's all we're going to fit on this baking sheet. We're going to do this in batches. I'm just going to dust this with a little bit of salt, not too much. And we're going to pop these in a 400-degree oven for about 4 or 5 minutes. We don't want to cook them. We just want to soften.
Maybe you find a place for this one?
No, we got to wait until la seconda strata. Okay.
I put over here?
Put over here.
Okay.
Put over here.
And give me the other eggplant,
No, we only do one today.
Just one you want to do?
Yeah, the other eggplant we'll eat tomorrow.
Oh, yeah?
We make a different way.
All right, okay.
Okay, she's getting eggplant happy.
All right.
She's getting, so I'm gonna roast these for about 4 or 5 minutes, and I'm gonna show you how they turn out. Hold on. Okay, guys, so these were in for about 4.5 minutes, and look at how pliable they are. All right, that one's got a hole in it, but it's okay. We're gonna roll it the other way. Look at how pliable these are. This is perfect. So we're gonna let them cool down on this plate here, and we're gonna roast our other batch. Vuoi mettere gli altri?
Sure.
Metti gli altri. Nonna is very upset that I refuse to roast these. She maintains that these are rollable and she wants me to use them for something. So
Okay.
I'm not sure what I'm going to use these for, but I have to, otherwise I will not hear the end of it.
E quale mette? Yeah, sul posto dove?
Okay, so we're
Okay.
going to roast them. I don't know what we're going to do with
Alright.
them.
All right.
A little bit of salt, just a little bit,
Yeah, sure.
little bit on each one, a little bit. Okay. And these are going to go back in the oven, our second batch.
Yeah, sure.
4 minutes. Okay, so now that we have our beautiful eggplant slices like this, we can start to make the filling for the eggplant rollatini. Okay, spostiamo questo.
Yeah.
Mettilo là, questo mettilo là, al lato. Okay, so we have our ricotta here. And Nonna, mi devi fare il prezzemolo?
Prezzemolo,
Okay.
Okay.
We're going to add our grated cheese. Going to add our mozzarella, cut up very, very small. Okay. And you want this filling to be nice and thick, not too thin, because then it's going to fall all out of the eggplant. That's a no good. We're going to add our egg in here.
Okay. Finish.
Finish.
Yeah.
Okay. And we're going to add just a little bit of salt. Okay. Emma?
Now you gotta put a little sauce in the bottom of here.
Okay, mettilo tu un po' di sugo sotto.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to start rolling our rollatini. So I have one slice here, and I'm going to take a little bit of our prosciutto cotto. This is like Italian ham. You could just use ham, you could use mortadella, you could use whatever you want.
Okay.
And I'm going to put, you don't want to put too much filling. That's enough?
Oh yeah. That's enough.
And you want to start rolling.
Roll like that. Yeah, and put inside.
And you want to put the seam side down, right in here.
Yeah.
That's all.
That's all. Yeah.
That's all. I do okay?
Sure, you do very well.
Okay, now we got to do all of them.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah. Have to put a cheese.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so we finished rolling all of our beautiful rollatini. We have a tiny bit of ricotta left, but you know, sometimes you get a bigger eggplant, sometimes you get a smaller eggplant. Tiny bit of prosciutto cotto left. That's a snack.
You eat? That's all. All right.
What are you gonna do? Now all we gotta do is put a little sauce right on each one. Not too much, because you don't want it to drown in the sauce.
Mm-hmm. I know.
Just because you have this sauce doesn't mean you have to use it all. It's much better to undersauce something, honestly, and then serve it with a little bit of extra sauce. Because if you put too much sauce on this, they're going to cook up all sciangato. Like, they're going to get all mushy. And it's not good. They're not going to hold their integrity. I don't want that. You want rollatini with integrity that could stand up to a knife and fork. You don't want it to just mush around on your plate. Okay, and now cheese.
Yeah, some cheese. It's all. You finish.
Some cheese, it's all. Ooh. be generous with the cheese on top. We don't put mozzarella on top too. Certi lo mettono pure sopra la mozzarella, ma non va.
No, non va. No. L'ho messo dentro, that's all.
Because then it just gets too cheesy. It could get a little messy.
You put inside, that's all, no worry.
And now this baby is going to go back into a 400-degree oven for about 30 to 40 minutes, just until everything cooks. It's basically all cooked, but it's just going to firm up. And then when we come back, we're going to taste it, and it's going to be delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Very good. Mm-hmm.
Nonna can't wait to get out of here. Okay, Nonna, you ready to taste?
Yeah, I want an F because I'm full. I eat a lot.
Okay. Cut it in half. You cut it in half, but you taste. Look at how good this looks. Ah, I love they didn't get mouchad. They didn't melt all together. You ready to taste?
Mm-hmm.
The prosciutto kind of holds everything in a little bit better.
It's so good. Very nice, huh? Mm-hmm.
So, so good. Oh my God. It's light.
Mm-hmm.
It's cheesy. It's a little meaty from the prosciutto cotto.
Very good.
Look at that. Perfect.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
You really not gonna eat that?
No.
What are we gonna do? Put half of one in? You almost ate it all. We're gonna put this in the refrigerator. You're not gonna throw it away.
I not throw it. I put over there. Huh? What do you think?
Come on, you gotta eat it. You gotta finish.
No, all right. I finish.
This was
It's
good.
very good. Very
Questi
good.
erano buoni. Come on.
Yeah, very good. Mm-hmm.
And these are so great as an antipasto, as a little thing on the side.
Mm-hmm.
Nonna said it was so good she wasn't even hungry, but she had to finish, huh?
Yeah. That's good. I got to finish, huh?
All right, guys, Nonna's going to finish her eggplant, but thank you guys for watching. Nonna, thank you for being my Nonna today.
Thank you, you beautiful guy.
I love you, Nonna.
I love you too.
Say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Hey, over there, too. You gotta say bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We'll see you guys next time.
Everything good. Mm-hmm.